Imagine your marketing team shows up to work one day and half of them are bots. It may sound like sci-fi, but it's closer than you think, sort of. Because while marketers debate whether AI will replace them, other brands are using it to create content, personalize at scale, and launch campaigns in hours that used to take weeks. So today we're going to show you how to make sure that your brand isn't left behind when the bots take over, in all the best ways. Traditional marketing. We brainstorm ideas, we draft content, we design visuals, we review, we launch, we repeat. It's slow, it can be expensive, and it often fails to move the needle because sometimes it can be a little bit generic. Plus, sometimes our thinking is a little one way. So when we use generative AI, suddenly you can generate copy, visuals, ideas, even full-blown campaigns in a fraction of the time. But here's the catch. Many marketers treat it like a magic wand with no plan and no editing, and that's where things go sideways. The brands that will win know how to use AI smartly and not replace creative, but amplify it. So let's break down how we're going to win with generative AI. So before you fire up the prompts, you have to decide what tasks are repetitive and time-consuming. Drafting blog outlines, generating ad copy, variations, yada yada. And 2, what tasks require human creativity, insight, brand voice, campaign strategy, tone, complex storytelling. If you skip this, you'll get AI output that looks fast but lacks impact. And actually, let's back up. What is generative AI? It means that the model creates content, text, images, and video from your prompts and data. It's not just finding existing stuff, it generates something new. And fun fact, the global generative AI market is projected to grow upwards of 41% by 2030. That's wild. Having access to AI is one thing. Anybody can sign up for ChatGPT, but knowing how to feed it and refine it is another. So here are 3 takeaways to success. All right, so first off, we're going to create a master prompt library with blanks you can fill in. You can do this in GPT or whatever AI program you're using. So for example, write 5 headline variations for a blank fintech startup, targeting blank millennials, using blank a witty toad. Then you're going to use AI to generate 10 times more ideas than you normally would, but you're going to only pick the best 2 or 3 because AI doesn't always get it right. So shoot for quantity first and refine for quality. And then, speaking of refinement, that's going to lead me to the 3rd, review and refine. Let a human edit, check the facts, adjust the brand voice. Even the best AI can hallucinate and make stuff up and go way off brand. Always include human review. Here's another fun stat. Around 50% of marketers say they don't know how to get the most value from generative AI yet. This is where us marketers can help them shine. AI lets you scale in ways that you couldn't afford before. So how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to use customer data to generate personalized versions of a campaign. Sarah in Atlanta gets version A, Mike in Chicago gets version B. Their weather's different, whatever you're marketing. This used to be a manual process, but now AI can make it much easier and much quicker, so you can focus on getting results. Then we're going to generate multiple formats: blog posts, LinkedIn post, Instagram carousel, video script, all from one brief that you're going to feed it. The switch is having your creative team work on the brief. Then the prompts and the AI do the heavy lifting for them and comes back with quality that they can now use. And then we're going to optimize output for each channel's best practices. Shorter copy for social, visuals for mobiles. Scaling doesn't mean more of the same, it means more tailored. The same core idea, customized a bunch of different ways. All right, and fun fact, 92% of businesses plan to invest in generative AI over the next few years. So where are you going to fall in there? You're not done once you hit publish. AI gives you that speed, but you still need performance. So track key metrics, engagement, conversations, ROI, just like you would for any other campaign. Audit for bias, brand voice consistency, and factual accuracy. AI gives you the base, but that optimizations are always human-led. If you use AI in customer-facing content, you have to ensure it aligns with your values. Using AI without measuring that is riding blind. The tech is powerful, but you still need to steer it. Okay, let's put it in real-world terms here. Let's say a boutique outdoor gear brand uses AI to launch a midsummer campaign. They feed the AI a brief, targeted 25 to 35-year-old adventure travelers with a tone being playful but expert. AI generates 5 campaign concepts, each with 10 social post variants and 2 short video scripts. The brand picks the top content, they know you're using AI, but a human edits the best variants, localized for key markets, and launches within 1 week instead of the typical 4-week process. And the results? They achieve 2.5 the usual reach and a 30% increase in conversions, all with the same budget. And you got them there faster. That's what generative AI looks like, coupled with a smart process. So in review, remember, 1. Define where AI fits in your workflow. 2. Build a solid prompt review loop. 3. Scale creatively, not just bigger. And 4. Measure hard, stay ethical, and iterate. Do these 4 steps and you're going to turn AI from a novelty into a growth engine. If your marketing feels stuck in slow-mo while everyone else hits fast forward, it's time for a shift. At 77 Collective, we help brands plug generative AI into their systems smartly, safely, and so it actually moves the needle. So yes, your next marketing team might be consistent of a couple of bots, but it will still be in your brand voice and your story, just on fast forward. Thanks again for watching. We will see you in the next video. Please give this video a share if you found it valuable, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments on what you'd like to see us talk about next. Until next time, and there will be a next time, we'll see you in the next video.